This AI squish effect is taking social media by storm, especially TikTok and YouTube. And I will teach you how you can do this AI squish effect in just 2 minutes for free. There's a bonus at the end as well, so keep watching. Ready? Let's dive right in. First, open pika.art in your browser and sign up for a free account. Once logged in, look for the attachment icon and upload the image you want to animate. This could be an AI avatar, a cartoon character, a logo, or even a fun photo of an object you like. After uploading, go to the Pika Effect menu and select the Squish It feature. Next, click Generate and let Pika AI work its magic. Within seconds, you'll have a squishing video preview ready to download and share. Now here's the bonus part that I told you about. Want a still photo to start talking? Sounds magical, right? With Virbo AI, you can. Start by launching Virbo on your PC or directly in your browser. You can download Virbo using the link in the description, and the best part is, new users get 2 minutes of free credits to try it out. Once you're logged in, click on the Talking Photo feature and upload the image you'd like to turn into a talking video. Let's give your photo some words. Enter the text you'd like your photo to say and choose an AI voice that fits your style. You can even add background music and subtitles. Finally, hit Create Video, and within moments, you'll have a dynamic talking photo ready to share. So, there you have it. Your toolkit for creating viral videos is complete. If you enjoyed this tutorial, why not let the algorithm know? A quick thumbs up and subscribe might just make AI magic like this keep coming your way. Happy creating with Wondershare Virbo. See you in the next one.